Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we have a special guest with us.
Hi, my name is Eric Willett. I started as an intern with Our Space, and I've been editing them for all of the videos that you've been watching.
Yes,
Thank
thank you,
you so
Eric.
much.
So what are we making today?
Well, today's a very, very special day because this is our 100th video. And in honor of that, we're going to do a little Our Space band and we're going to make musical instruments. So I'm going to be making a kazoo.
I'm going to be making a shaker.
And I made a rubber band banjo.
Nice.
Right. So we started making the videos in May 2020 when we had to stop going to the hospitals and our other settings. And so we continued to our mission of Our Space by creating these videos. So happy 100th video today.
Yes, and I want to give a special shout out to my daughter Ayla, who does all the graphics for the videos, who couldn't be on the video with us today, but she is here in musical spirit.
All right, so before we begin our craft, we're going to start with one of our breathing exercises. And since we're celebrating today, we're going to do a celebration breath. So when we celebrate, we go like this to show happiness. So we're going to breathe in and go like this and breathe out and come down.
Okay.
All right. And you can do some, celebratory sounds if you want also. All right, ready? Okay, let's breathe in. And breathe out.
Ooh.
Ooh. And one more time, breathe in. And breathe out.
Ooh.
All right.
All right.
So what materials do we need today?
For the kazoo, you'll need a cardboard roll, rubber band, wax paper, and paint or markers.
Okay, for the shaker, you'll need a container, construction paper or foil, rice or beans, and decorations.
And for the banjo, you're going to need a circular lid, a plastic fork, rubber bands, and tape.
Okay, so I'll start and show you how I made my kazoo. Okay, very easy, and you can decorate it as much or little as you want. But you take this is a paper towel roll I cut in half, so I got 2 kazoos out of it, and I painted this one yellow. And the important part is, and if you needed an older person than you to help you do this part, you need to make a little hole in the top. I just took a pen and pushed it through. So I have a little hole. That's how you get the sound. Then I cut a piece of wax paper to cover the top like this. And then I just took a rubber band and went like that. And now I have my kazoo. And while you're showing yours, I'm going to start decorating this one. So very simple, but makes a cool sound.
Yeah, that looks super easy.
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to show you how to make a shaker. So this one, I used a Pringle can. So I'm going to have to eat a lot of Pringles. And I covered it with construction paper and then just some bling, stick-on bling. And I put inside it rice to make the sound. So you can really use any kind of container, like a cylindrical container. So for this one, I'm using a peanut container. And this one I'm going to cover with foil. Just tape it together. And then you can put whatever you want inside to make the noise. So this one I'm going to put some rice and also some coffee beans. So you can kind of put whatever you want inside. And then I'm going to put the lid on. See how it sounds. I like that.
That's a nice addition to our band.
You can decorate it. I'm going to use some stars to put around, but you can also color on this with markers because coloring on foil kind of comes out cool. So you can really decorate it however you want with whatever materials. And then you have a shaker.
Awesome.
All right, Eric.
Perfect. We have our wind instrument and our percussion instrument. So now we're moving to our string instrument. So for our banjo, I started with a lid. This one's for a mason jar. My old one was for a candle lid. So anything, a circular lid that you can find. And I like having just a little depth with it. So next I'm gonna tape the back of my fork to the back of the lid, and I keep the back of the fork to the front, so you have like room for the string as like the neck of the guitar. And this is where it gets a little bit trickier, so you're gonna need a little bit more patience with it. So once you just go ahead and tape the back of the fork on, you're gonna start to string your instrument. And I learned it's as hard as normally stringing a guitar sometimes. Because you have to battle the rubber bands a little bit, but that's when you just start to add your rubber bands right into the grooves of the fork, and then you're going to add it right around. And with this step, you might need help. You might want to ask a parent or a friend to hold the rubber band while you then tape it down to the back.
Wow.
Sometimes with the rubber bands, they can shoot out, so you want to make sure that you're being extra careful with them. Maybe have a friend to hold it down for you when you go ahead and tape it.
Oh, cool. While you're taping this first part, I'm gonna tell you a little joke. Okay.
All right.
Which is what instrument does a pirate play?
What instrument does a pirate play?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
A guitar.
Guitar. That's a good one.
Thank you. How's it coming with the strings?
The strings are a challenging process, but once it gets going, it is fun. We're getting there.
You know, it's okay to ask for help and modify it as needed. I'm going to tell you one more quick joke.
Okay.
What makes music in your hair?
I think I know, but I'm not going to say.
I'm going to tell you. A headband.
I was going to say hairband.
All right, so we can finish these later if we want, although I do think we should give a little performance.
Yes.
With either the original one we started with or the new one.
All right, we ready to?
Eric?
Ready.
Okay. That was fun.
The tickets to come see us will be free. Thank you all for joining us for this craft video and for watching so many of our other videos. We're so excited that this is our 100th and we'll be making more. So if you'd like to check out our other ones, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Bye.
Bye.